I was expecting it to be almost like too fast with the meetings all put together in a row and you're moving through pretty quickly, but everyone comes into it with a good mindset of looking to network and make those connections. That it has been very, very beneficial to, meet so quickly, and then you have all the events after the meetings and you're running into the same people and continuing those conversations. So in my head, I was coming into it thinking it might be forced, but it does have a very good flow to it and everyone's open to meeting and connecting. I feel like it's different here because it's networking with intent. So like when you're at a traditional kind of conference, you're kind of hoping like, I hope I run into the right person, or I hope I meet the right people and whatnot. Whereas I feel like the structure of Marcus Evans it makes that intended and it makes it happen, and it's happening all day and all night. So the structure is very, very good and beneficial, I feel. Yeah, that's a great point. I don't have a number off the top of my head, but I feel like getting in the room with the people that are at this conference at Marcus Evans, doing that on your own or virtually, trying to do it through Teams meeting is very, very hard because, these people don't have much bandwidth when they're in their day-to-day job. So when you're at the conference, they're not doing their day-to-day job. They're here to network. They're here to learn new things. So like I mentioned, it's that networking with intent. So they have the mindset of going in to learn new things and whatnot. Whereas, when you're trying to buy their attention from far away, it doesn't work as well. So it's a lot more beneficial to be here in person and meet them that way. We are a software solution centered around the packaging line. Essentially, we automate the line and remove that human error aspect. So we'll connect to all the different devices on the line, printers, scanners, checkwares, metal detectors, and automate those for a specific recipe or job run. So from an operator's perspective, they just click a recipe and they click start, and the line is set up and ready to go from there. It's interesting because like a lot of people might type in information by hand every day. So like you get a bottle of milk and it has the best by date. Like some people like mentally put that number in, and it could be wrong and it could be dangerous that way. So it's very helpful having, just a software solution that automates it and does it and is right 100% of the time. And especially allergens as well. So if you perhaps put the wrong product in the wrong package, so say you're doing a beef and broccoli run versus a Thai peanut run, and someone with a peanut allergy gets that product that wasn't labeled with the peanuts in it, it could be very, very severe for them. So we also do the packaging verification aspect of making sure you put the correct product in the correct package with the correct date code, like I mentioned before.